One of the most important ingredients when cooking is food safety. When shopping, make the frozen and dairy departments your last stops and pack cold foods together so they remain at the right temperature until you get home. Then put them in the back of the fridge or freezer so you use older items first. This is known as first in, first out. Be sure to keep your refrigerator set at 40 degrees and your freezer at 0 degrees. Don't overfill your freezer. It should be about 3/4 full, leaving room for the cold air to circulate. Although you may be tempted, never defrost food at room temperature. Instead, place it in the fridge to thaw slowly. Place it cold water, or, if you're in a hurry, thaw it in your microwave. Wash your hands before handling any food, and when cooking any of the packaged products from the refrigerated or freezer cases, always follow the cooking instructions. For more easy tips, and let's not forget tasty recipes, visit easyhomemeals.com.